Hey Builder Reps, Jonathan Richter here, and today I'm very excited to show you one of our latest features, 1-acre lots and half-acre lots on New Home Buddy. Let's dive right in, I'll show you how it's done. So why would we even want to show 1-acre or half-acre lots? Well, here I am on SEMrush. This is a tool that shows you what people are typing in Google, how many people are searching, and how popular that term is. So when I search new construction homes Texas, for instance, here are the top terms, right? These are the keywords that people are typing in. This is how many people per month are searching for that. And as you can see, some of them are very specific areas like Frisco, Dallas, under 200K. That'd be nice, right? There's a few of you builders out there that are offering homes under 200K. Here you go. New construction homes on 1-acre lots, Texas, is actually 50 people a month are searching for this. And this is a keyword difficulty score of only 4 out of 100. So this means that, if you're on social media and you post, hey, check out my 1-acre lots in Lockhart, Texas or something, you have a very good chance of being, anyone else who's searching for that keyword for you to be at the top. Or let's say you wrote a blog post about 1-acre lots and linked to your lead gen search that had 1-acre lots. That would be a great strategy to start finding new leads and new buyers. So here I am on the builder portal, builder.newhomebuddy.com. And in this example, I work for First America Homes in Houston. So to find this filter, you just click on More, Community Amenities, and half-acre lots. We have 13 homes in Houston that are on half-acre lots. So it doesn't actually show exactly which homes are 1-acre lots. However, it does indicate this community has half-acre lots, 1-acre lots for sale, for instance. The whole idea here is that you are getting buyers interested, you are getting agents interested to pick up that phone and give you a call, or use New Home Buddy to schedule a tour or ask for more information. So that's how you do half-acre lots. If you want to do 1-acre lots instead, you'll just want to deselect that, and then you can just click on 1-acre lots. And as we can see, there are several communities with 1-acre lots that First America has in Houston. Let's say I wanted to make a saved search and we're going to find new buyers, right? I want to find some new buyers for these. You can just create this search. All you have to do, copy that link, write a fancy social media post, and then post your link. And that's it. Watch the leads come in. And then when somebody clicks on that link, here it is. These are the exact homes that you were sharing. As you can see, it was shared by me. And again, First America Homes, I'm the point of contact on every single listing. So this is a game-changing feature. It's never been easier to find 1-acre lots, half-acre lots, just so you get a sense of this on the agent portal. So this is what real estate agents can see. They also have access to this filter. I'm in every market that we have on New Home Buddy right now, so the 4 markets. And they can actually select the same thing. So if they go to 1-acre lots here, just click that. As you can see, we actually have 1-acre lots in every single market that we have available. So that's super exciting. Again, all the builders in one place. So this is why you want to stand out. You definitely want to showcase, hey, we have these. You want to get them out in front of people. It's better than a PDF flyer. It's certainly better than just, a cold email or trying to reach somebody, right? This is a live living link where the updates are happening all the time in the background. So you can share that link one time and know that they are good to go. One little note about this, you might get confused if you select both 1-acre lots and you select half-acre lots. This is actually looking for communities that have both of those at the same time, right? So that's why it's gone all the way down to 55. But these are communities that, like the Retreat, for instance, they have both half-acre lots for sale and they have 1-acre lots for sale. Again, the way people are using our community amenities features, they want to guarantee that these things have all of the things they want. So that's why if you select both of them, you're not going to have as many results as if you just select one at a time. So that is it. That's how it works. That's 1-acre lots, half-acre lots filtering on New Home Buddy. I hope you love the feature. Please let me know in the comments.